Hey, it's Steve from B&M Racing. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Magnum Grip shifter handles for the Polaris RZR UTVs. Now this B&M Magnum Grip shifter here is made from CNC billet aluminum. It's got a durable black anodized finish. It's a great ergonomic fit and feel with a nice aggressive look to it. It's got these polycarbonate side plates that are interchangeable. There's going to be 7 different colors available along with some rosewood ones. So please check our website for more details on that. And this is also backed up by a lifetime limited warranty and it's 100% direct bolt-in. Now, the tools for the job are a ratchet, a short extension, a Torx T25 socket, a flathead screwdriver, a 3/32 Allen key, and a 16th Allen key. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm going to get this installed in this razor here. Okay, we're in our Polaris razor here. We're going to go ahead and remove this stock shifter handle and put on the new Magnum Grip one. So we're going to go ahead and pull this back a little bit, get it in neutral. We're going to go ahead and take a flat blade screwdriver and just pop this cap. Next, we're going to undo the screw that's right here in the center. Okay, this will just slide up. Okay, next on the new B&M Magnum Grip here, we're going to go ahead and remove the side plate so we can put on the set screws inside. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the 2 set screws that go right here, and there's 2 on the other side right here. Go ahead and install these. Okay, we got our 2 set screws started on this side, and I got the 2 set screws started on the other. So we're going to go ahead and take the Magnum Grip shifter handle, and we're going to slide it over the stock shifter stick. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten up the 2 set screws on each side. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the polycarbonate side plates on each side. Okay, you can see we just finished up our install here on our B&M Magnum Grip shifter handle for the Polaris RZRs. You can see it's got a nice aggressive look to it and great ergonomic fit and feel. Now, installation time on this was roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and happy trails. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.